What's up, YouTube? You guys remember back in the day? It's old school. Full moon features. They had all those corny, scary movies that you grew up on, watching on VHS tapes and stuff, and you just can't get them no more. Well, that's not the case anymore. So, to find out how to watch these again, stick around. Alright, so Full Moon Entertainment. I used to love this, man. This was my stuff. So you can watch it on, web browser on your computer or your phone or Android device. So if you got like a Shield or Mi Box, something like that, just go to your app store and install the Full Moon Features app. And it's not free. It's not free, but nothing good ever is. So, but man, I didn't know they were still making stuff. Like you see right here, new releases. I mean, come on, there's something about Tiger King. But I've already paid for my subscription because this is freaking awesome. But you can go down to like, let's see, comedy, yeah, classics. You can actually watch a few of them that aren't half bad, actually. Pit and the Pendulum, Hideous. There was another really good one in here. Like, out of nowhere, never seen it before. Oh, come on, Castle Freak. You guys remember that? I'm like geeked about this, so sorry. But yeah. And if you get like a full year subscription, I think it's like $60 or something like that. You actually get like let me see, I think it shows at the top. You actually get like a 12 disc set of all of the Puppet Masters. Yeah, right here. Purchase an annual Full Moon Features streaming channel subscription and get free 12 Blu-ray box set. That's pretty sweet. Of course, they probably upped the value, $120 value, but still, it's probably worth $60 what you just paid for the year subscription. And if that's too much, you could just buy it for 1 month for like $7 and watch all the stuff that you want to watch. Come on, you know that there's some movies in here that you're dying to watch from back in the day. Like, I found some good ones. You gotta dig, but they're in here, man. Good times. Good times. I spent so much at the, like, mom and pop VHS, rental store, getting all the Puppet Masters. Look, they're all right here too. Like, there's some I didn't even know existed. Like, I didn't know they were still going. I didn't know Full Moon was still going. I don't know what this is all about, but it's got William Shatner in it. Man, some really good, corny horror movies. Like, they're making a big deal out of the Gingerbread Man. I haven't watched it yet, but yeah. Who is this? I think it's like Nick Nolte. No, it's Gary Busey, my bad. Yeah, it's weird. Full Moon Classics. Yeah. This was actually pretty good too. The Daytime Ended. But I just thought I'd mention this if you guys haven't figured it out yet. If you're in my age group, you're going to love this. I mean, come on, it's even got some Elvira in here. But anyways, that's the gist of it. Short, quick video. Full moon features. I recommend it. Give it the $6.99 try. Watch a few movies. And there is free movies too. So, like, there'll be like a little picture of a lock. And if there's no lock, picture of a lock, then you can watch it. And there's only a handful of them, but they're pretty decent. Castle Freak, that's one of them. That's free. So, I don't know, guys. If you're into this stuff like I was when I was younger, this is awesome. So, hope you guys found this informative. Hope you're as geeked as I am. Thanks for watching. And as always, have a tech day.